Hello everyone, greetings of the day. In this video, let me tell you why Masterminds is matchless for CA Inter crash batch. Whenever CA Inter students think of quick revision classes or rapid revision classes or crash batch, whatever name you may call, the immediate name that comes to their mind is Masterminds, because Masterminds crash batch is very popular among the student circles of CA Inter. Now, let me tell you what is this crash batch. See, you have already taken CA Inter coaching, you have little bit of conceptual clarity, but let me tell you, conceptual clarity is very important, especially at this point of time, at the time of syllabus change. Now you have 6 papers, but the depth of the question papers is increasing day by day, and you need to have extraordinary conceptual clarity to answer those standard question papers. And if you don't have conceptual clarity, you cannot answer those question papers. So now, when can you get the conceptual clarity? You have to listen to the classes attentively. So whenever you feel that you lack some conceptual clarity, and by that reason you could not answer the MCQs and you could not write the questions, then crash batch is the right choice for you, because here you will again listen to the classes, or you will again listen to all the important concepts, and you will definitely feel lot of confidence to face the upcoming examination. That is the reason we start crash batch. Of course, many institutes do not offer crash batch because offering crash batch is an expensive affair. But at Masterminds, we never take that thing into consideration. In the better interest of the students, we always start crash batches to offer them the best conceptual clarity. So if you lack conceptual clarity and want faster, quicker and rapid revision kind of thing in less point of time, and if you want to cover all the important chapters and gain conceptual clarity, then the crash batch is exclusively for you. So this is the most important thing that you need to keep in mind about crash batches. And at Masterminds, these crash batches are taught by 10 to 12 members of trained, qualified, expert and experienced faculty team members, and all these faculty team members also teach for regular batch. Hence, they have lot of experience in teaching both for regular batch as well as crash batch. So they will offer you a pinpointed, crystal clear conceptual clarity. And all these classes will be taught in 100% English, and students from other states can also join, and these classes are taught for 450 to 500 hours for group 1 and 450 to 500 hours for group 2. Generally, many institutes teach regular batches at this kind of hours, but at Masterminds we take these many hours because conceptual clarity do not come very easily. It requires in-depth explanation of the concept. We need to explain the concept questions, you need to know the concept in detail. So that definitely requires a lot of time. That is the reason we take this much of time. And these crash batch can be offered in 3 modes, that is face-to-face classes, which we call it as complete physical batch, where student sit before the faculty and listen to the class with a lot of attention, and he can clarify the doubts with the faculty. That is face-to-face class, very popular, and Masterminds is the unbeatable leader in offering face-to-face classes for CA Inter regular batch and crash batch as well. And the second important mode of learning is live to home classes, that is complete online batch, where the classes from the class are live telecasted to the student's home or the place where student resides, so that students can listen to those lively classes, and he can also get all the doubts clarification sessions. And even if the student is having any doubt, student can directly ask the faculty through online mode. And the third best thing, if you have very good self-discipline and if you want to complete your studies at your own pace, at your own place and pace, then this recorded videos, VOD, videos on demand option is also available at Masterminds. And the beauty of this crash batch is that even the first time listeners can also join, because we are teaching for 450 to 500 hours for each group, and we never miss any important concept. That is the reason you will get access to all the important concepts and you will have wonderful conceptual clarity. So if you are a first time listener, yes, definitely you can join for this crash batch at masterminds, that is CA Inter Crash Batch. And you can join for group 1 or group 2. Of course, if you are preparing for the upcoming attempt, it may not be possible for joining both groups, but definitely you can join either for group 1 or group 2 depending on your choice. The most important highlight that you need to keep in mind when you are joining in masterminds is weekend examinations. Many organizations, they just teach you, but they do not test you. But at masterminds, we teach and at the same time we test in the form of weekend examination, and each and every weekend examination paper will be at par with the public examination, because you have to write standard examinations, because on the main day in the public exam, the standard of the question paper is very high, and you have to get yourself trained in such a way that each and every weekend examination you write should follow and should have the same standards of the public exam. That is the reason we conduct weekend examinations at par with the public exams. And the most important thing, some organizations, they simply conduct the question paper examination, but what about the evaluation and giving back to the student his performance? So at masterminds, we definitely evaluate the question paper and give back the answer papers to the we definitely evaluate the answer papers and give them back to the students, so that students can check out their performance. And also we will give performance report for every 10 days to the student, so that student can check out his or her performance. Basing on that, they can change their preparation strategy or study strategy. And another very important thing is, after syllabus completion in the crash batch, we will conduct study hours, and also we conduct one set of pre-final examination to all the students who have joined in the crash batch. And masterminds is very popular for CA Inter and CMA Inter across South India. Nearly 5,000 admissions will be there for every year for CA Inter and CMA Inter put together in regular and crash batches. The story started some 23 years ago, and all these 23 glorious years, masterminds is having exceptional performance in CA and CMA courses. In South India, masterminds is the only exclusive commerce college that has been existing in the history for 23 years successfully as a pioneer and as a leader. And very few institutes are offering crash batch in offline mode. As I have told you, offering crash batch is a very costly affair. It is an expensive affair. That is the reason many institutes do not resort to offer crash batch. But we at masterminds, in the better interest of the students, in the best interest of the students, we are offering this crash batch coaching. So please take this into mind and take your decision. The most important thing that you need to remember at masterminds is, masterminds gives utmost importance to academics. We have exclusive academic advisor who is a chartered accountant having enormous experience, and under his guidance there is a separate academic division for material development and question paper preparation. That is the reason masterminds outstands everyone in terms of quality. So in CA Inter and CMA Inter, and especially in CA Inter regular batch and crash batch coaching, masterminds is giving outstanding performance if you can observe. And we have own hostel facility for boys and girls separately for the students who join in the crash batches. Now let me tell you how to buy the videos on demand, that is how to buy the recorded video classes. You can download Masterminds Online Classes app from the Google Play Store, and if you get registered yourself into the Masterminds Online Classes app, you will find the subject wise. Now you can find this. All courses are available in our Masterminds Online Classes, and again in those you can purchase regular batch or crash batch or EVO or live classes, subject wise, crash subject wise, regular subject wise, value added courses. You can purchase materials. Several services are available in our Masterminds Online Classes app, and you can avail all those services. And you will have crash batch courses that are available, and also you can purchase subject wise, and you can also purchase subscription mode. In subscription mode also you can purchase courses. For 1 month you can buy one subscription, and 1 month subscription is equal to 40 days. So definitely you can get the benefit of it. Now coming to the achievements of Masterminds. Mastermind students always keep the name of the Masterminds at the summit, at the zenith. So we have 11 All India first ranks in CA and CMA courses in just 5 years and 1,355 All India ranks nearly in CA and CMA courses. This is not at all a small achievement. And we got first rank for nearly 55 times in all the courses we offer. And in order to serve the students in a much better way at Masterminds, we are offering Telegram group services. That is, we are having Telegram groups, Masterminds for CA and CMA Inter, for your doubts clarification, so that if you have any doubts, you can post in it and your doubts gets clarified. Before joining in Masterminds, just don't look at our ranks. Look at our commitment, our performance, our determination, and our value added services that we give to the students. And you look at our materials, you look at our academic program. These all things should base as a criteria for you to choose Masterminds. Except this, just don't look at our ranks while joining or while taking admission into Masterminds. And you can also visit our website www.mastermindsindia.com, and you can also very good and valuable content in our YouTube channel, that is Masterminds for CA and CMA. Don't miss watching that YouTube channel, Masterminds for CA and CMA, and you can subscribe to the channel to have wonderful content. And if you have any queries to just check out about the CA Inter crash batches, you can call on 988-512-5025 or 26. Hope this video will definitely find very much valuable to you in deciding about taking admission about CA Inter crash batches. All the best. Thank you.